I'm here on the historic Falmouth port in Jamaica, and I'm about to find out exactly what time it is. Excuse me, can you tell me what time is it?
It's time to take our Nyam and Goe food tour.
Nyamangowe. Wow, you gotta explain this. Tell us who you are and what is this Nyamangowe?
I'm Janet Crick, Tour and Creative Experience Director of Jamaica Culinary Tours. And we are happy to bring you the Nyam and Goe tour. What is Nyam and Goe? Nyam, in our local dialect, means to eat. Goe means to go away. So you come, you eat, and you leave. But not before you have a whole barrel of fun, topped off with delicious, authentic Jamaican cuisine.
Wow, so that sounds so awesome. Nyamangowe. So how long is the Nyamangowe tour?
The Nyam and Goe tour is 5.5 hours. Sounds long, but you're going to be having so much fun, you won't even see the time go by. We start you in Falmouth, in the parish of Trelawney, and then we take you across the border to St. Anne. We take you as far as Ocherius. And you know what you're doing all the time?
Nyamming?
Apart from laughing, yamming.
All
Yes,
right.
you got it.
Yeah,
You got
I
the
figured
tour.
it out. I figured it out. But for those people who haven't, just give us a little taste, if you will, of what to expect.
What to expect? We're giving you an insight into our cuisine, our culture, our lifestyle, us as a people. And you know, who you are as a people is intricately linked. I messed it up. It's something whatever linked with your cuisine.
Yes.
So, you're getting all of that. So as you go along, we're giving you tastings. There are 5 food and beverage tastings in the Nyam and Goe tour. And as you taste, we're explaining to you the history behind the food, the local beliefs surrounding the food, how it's prepared. Sometimes you even do get a chance to see how it's prepared. And we're giving you a lot of information about the food and how it relates to our culture. We also stop along the way to show you a few historical artifacts and historical sites. Jamaica is rich with history. You have to remember, we are out of many, one people. We are descendants of the Europeans, of the British, the Spanish, and we're descendants also of the Africans. More recently, Indians, Chinese. So we are quite a grand mix, one big melting pot. So that's reflected in the people, it's reflected in the food. So we stop and we show you bits and pieces of our history and show you how it's all linked together, how it's all woven together, and how all of that has come down through the ages to influence our cuisine. And when you're done all of that, unfortunately, you go away. But we will have enjoyed having you, and we know you're going to enjoy having been with us. So come, Nyam, go away and come back again.
So just one last question.
Sure.
Would I be able to do this and get back to my ship on time?
Yes, we have different timings for the Nyam and Goe tour to accommodate the different arrival or docking times of the ships in Falmouth and the different departure times. If you click on our website, on our bookings icon, and you don't see the time that you want, just contact us directly. Tell us what time you're going to be coming in, what time you're departing. We'll try and work around it for you. We want you to come and Nyam with us.
All right. And after all of that, I want to come too. So what time is it? It's time to take the Nyam and Goe tour.